I'll be showing two things: what's inside of the RØDE VideoMic Pro box and a comparison between the Nikon DSLR D5300 built-in microphone versus the RØDE VideoMic Pro. I ordered this microphone from Amazon Canada for $249 plus tax and shipping, and it just came today. It's still sealed in the box, so I will quickly open it now and show you what's inside the box. All that was inside the box, I'm kind of surprised. I noticed that some of the other videos about this microphone, there was extra rubber bands for the suspension on the microphone, and I believe there was something else. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, there it is. That's what's inside the box: the microphone, its suspension mount, and the 3.5 millimeter plug-in jack for the microphone. Now I just have to place the battery inside, and after I do that, I will switch over to the RØDE VideoMic Pro. And maybe you can tell from the beginning of the video to the portion that you'll be seeing next the difference between the quality. I purposefully left the camera on autofocus full-time servo to see if the VideoMic Pro would pick up any of the sound from the lens motor. So this is the RØDE VideoMic Pro microphone now. And is there a difference between the built-in Nikon and this one right now? Leave a comment below and tell me. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.